The Jasion EB5 electric bike is a wallet-friendly choice for urban commuters, blending classic mountain bike aesthetics with modern e-bike technology. Powered by a robust 350-watt brushless motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, ensuring swift travel through city streets. Its key feature is the removable 360-watt-hour battery, capable of covering impressive distances, up to 40 miles on a single charge. This level of endurance is ideal for daily commuting needs, offering practicality and convenience. Designed for comfort and stability, the bike boasts a 7-speed gear system and front fork suspension, delivering a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Weighing just 49.6 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport. The upgraded LCD display keeps riders informed about essential metrics like battery level, speed, and distance traveled, enhancing the overall user experience. One of the standout features of the Jasion EB5 is its affordability, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. Despite its budget-friendly nature, the bike doesn't compromise on performance or style. Its nimble steering and agile handling contribute to a delightful riding experience, making it a top choice for urban commuters seeking an efficient, stylish, and cost-effective electric bike solution. With its impressive battery life, reliable customer support, and attractive design, the Jasion EB5 electric bike stands out as an excellent option in the e-bike market.